Well, guess what? We're back. Today, though, we're going to generate some ozone. See this? Onamor commercial ozone generator. Now, the point of this is to eliminate odors. You can't be in the space, obviously. There's warnings everywhere. They give you a sign even. The point of this, though, is to possibly, I mean, you could put this in a car, and it would basically deodorize the car fairly quickly. Does 30,000 mgs of ozone an hour, can do 4,000 square feet. So it could do a room in your house, something like that, or your garage. Has a pretty quiet fan. I mean, they've got a list of features here. Aluminum alloy shell. I mean, it's about $100. And, you know, overall, you run this for, you know, a little bit of time, an hour or so. We're going to try it out here. And then from there, you let your area air out, and it should be fresh and clean. So let's see how this works here. And I'm not going to run it for long because I don't want to obviously inhale a ton of ozone, which according to all the warnings is bad. So after we press and hold start for a couple seconds, we can up the time by 5-minute increments. And then we basically press start. And it does like a countdown. Oh, goodness, there it goes. All right. So in a sense, they are taking the air, they're sucking it through this, and they're turning it into O3, ozone, I guess. And it's removing all the odors and microorganisms in the air and pollutants, and then it's pumping out fresh air for you. So basically imagine a fancy air freshener here. I have it plugged in. Let's check this thing out and see how it works. So that runs, and man, I just caught a whiff of it, even though obviously we're not supposed to be in here. Smells very clean and fresh. So I'm gonna do a little run here in the garage. I have stuff everywhere in the garage, from Christmas to car parts to everything here, but we're gonna give this a go and see what happens. They do warn you, though, a lot of times, no humans, no pets, no, don't let it suck the air, you know, don't put it near your furnace intake vent and let it run that way. So I'm going to close the garage off and let it run for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and we'll see what happens here. So we're done with the full 10-minute run. Now I'm going to do the next trick. I open the garage door here, and we are going to get some fresh air into the garage, even though it's about 10 degrees outside. So keep this open a bit, and we'll report back how it smells in here. So it's safe to be out here now. I let it air out. The smell, the best I can describe it, is a clean, fresh smell. It's almost like, I don't want to say chemically, but it has like, I don't want to say if you could like smell like nothing. It kind of smells like nothing. Almost like something new in a package almost, or something like that. So it's definitely better than an odor or something like that. Now, this thing does have a blue honeycomb inside, they said, which is better than any of the other leading parts as far as like ozone goes in that. They refer to it as a blue honeycomb ozone tablet. So you got that going. Like I said, car use, garage. I mean, you're buying it for that, then you can always use it for your house or different things like that. Pretty clever thing. I'll put a link below to it. And as far as like for detailing and cleaning of a car and stuff like that, just make sure you don't do it with yourself or anybody in the car. Same with a room. They want you to hang this on whatever you're doing, and then you're safe, you know, to not go in there for a while. But yeah, air it out after you're done now. So there we go. The Onamor Ozone Generator, link below. A little bit over $100. There's coupons on the site, and check them out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at Rubber City Motoring.